Hello everybody, welcome. Curry, everyone likes curry, don't they? So I'm going to do a basic curry, just going to be basic, but I'm going to do it in the air fryer. I've never done a curry in the air fryer before, but I'm going to try it anyway, just see what it comes out like. It's supposed to be quite simple, ain't they? So let me show you what we're going to do. When I say curry, we're having a balti from Aldi. You get the seasoning on the top, so nice and simple, basic. I do different ones of them, jalfrezes and madrassis and all that. But we're going to have a balti. I have got 2 jars of them, of that, just in case it's not enough for the air fryer. But I'll see as I go. I've got 650 gram of chicken, diced up. Chicken breast I got, I just diced them up into bite sizes. I've got 3 onions. They're only small, so I've just done 3 small ones, or 1 big one, or 1 large, whatever you want. A little bit of garlic. I've got one of these as well, which I'm going to coat the chicken in. I already had that in the cupboard, so I didn't have to buy that. I've got some basmati rice, which I'm just going to stir fry that with some egg, so egg fried basmati rice, because I'm not too keen on packet rice, but for something quick and convenient, why not try it? A little bit of salt. I've got 2 eggs whisked up to go with the rice, and a bit of oil. So, quite simple. First things first then, we will get the chicken coated, move everything out of the way. Right, moved everything, get a little bit of salt on the chicken first. Not having too much. I'm going to get one of these on. If I can open it. Some scissors. So I haven't bought myself any new scissors, I keep forgetting. But hey, I'm going to leave this to marinate for about half an hour. Give it all, get it all in there and give it a mix. Get a little spoon, get it all out, want it all. Mix all this up. Right, that's done. Now I want like a teaspoon of garlic. I'll get another little mix. It's enough, not too much. And then I'm going to put it in the fridge then. For say about half hour until I need it. The longer the better really. Right, I'll cover that and put it in the fridge. Right, while that's in the fridge, I'm going to get me onions in a bowl. And I'm going to get a little drop of oil, just a little drop. I'm going to get the seasoning off the top of the balti tin. Because with these I do like to put the seasoning on the onion. Can be a bit awkward and tricky sometimes, these can. Give it a mash up, make sure it's not clumped up. Get that on, give it a mix. Get it coated. A little bit more oil in there, I think a little bit dry. Wash my hands. There we go. So I suppose you can use the one spray and that, can't you, if you want, you know. Now we're ready to go. Simple, ain't it? Apart from when the chicken's ready, obviously you're ready to go. I'm going to get my chicken in and my onions in the air fryer at the same time. Chicken on the top, then I'll put your onions underneath, and I'll just keep stirring and make sure they don't stick. And then when the chicken's nearly done, I'm going to get the sauce in, then get the chicken in the sauce, give it all a mix, and then just let it cook for 5 or 6 minutes in there, and we'll see what it comes out like. Right, it's been about half an hour. I've just warmed the air fryer up. So now I'm going to get me onions in the bottom here. Nice little sizzle there. Spread them out a little bit first. All I want to do is make sure, I mean it doesn't matter if they go a bit brown early, don't really matter. But then I'm going to get me thing back on. I say, if you haven't got one of these air fryers, you can always do it in your normal air fryer, I suppose. Get yourself a little cake tin or something, couldn't you? And get my chickens on here. We're going to cook these for about, I don't know how long. So they're virtually cooked about 10 minutes, I suppose, or something. Last one. There we go. They're done. I'll put the lid on. I'll close it down and get it going. And what I'll do is I'll keep checking it and I'll keep stirring the onions as well. And see how we get on. Well, it's been about 7 minutes now. And it's looking delicious. Look, I just thought I'd show you. It's not done yet, obviously. It's looking really nice. I did stir the onions halfway after about 3 or 4 minutes, and they're fine at the minute. But then they're looking nice. Oh yes. Right, it's been about 9 minutes, and there's the onions. Look, they're looking nice, aren't they? Smells delicious. I'm going to give that another couple of minutes with the chicken. Then I'm going to check the chicken, see if it's done. All virtually done anyway. Well, I've just got a piece of chicken out. It's been exactly 10 minutes. So I'm just going to try it and have a look. Yes, that's done, look, nicely. Oh yes. So, bring you across. Open the lid up. Put them chicken back in there for a second. So say 10 minutes so far. Now we want my jar. My jar of Baltic. So usually you can put water in them, don't you? Put a little drop of water in. The only problem with the water, it's alright when you do it on the pan, innit? I don't know if it works like that when you do it in the air fryer, whether it stays watery too much, so I'm just putting a drop in. I'm going to get my chicken pieces back in. And I say I've got another jar of that, just in case I do have to put another jar in. I say it's quite a big tub, this. And I will let you know as it cooks whether it's, oops, dropping a piece of chicken there. Whether I've put another jar in. Give that a mix. All over the place. Smells delicious, you know. So I'm not putting no peppers or anything like that in it. Just a plain one. Oh yes. I'll give that a few minutes, maybe 5, and then we'll have a look. Right, I've got my wok on. I'm going to do my eggs now. I'm going to do my egg fried rice. Just a drop of that. Get the eggs in. That's looking nice, looks done. Looks a bit gooey at the minute, but once I've already stirred it once and then it looks nice. Eggs in for about, I don't know, just quickly. Don't want them brown. Want them all like scrambled. That'll do. Out. Get a pan of wipe over. Right, gave the pan a wipe over. I didn't clean it, just wiped it over, that's all. A little bit of oil in the bottom again now. Yeah. Get the rice in, get the eggs in. And I think I might stick a bit of oyster sauce in there as well. Maybe a couple of minutes. I did put the other jar into the air fryer because it was a little bit gloopy. I mean, you could have pre-cooked this in the microwave first, it'd be even quicker. But I'm not gonna. I'm gonna get my eggs in. I'm going to get a little drop of oyster sauce in there, I think. I've got some here. Just to give it that taste. There we go. Don't need a lot of that because it's really thick. So don't burn the rice. Hurry up, Keith. Get them lumps out as I cook it. That was delicious. Oh, let's have a look how that's doing. That's done. Oh. Give it a quick stir. I'll show you in a second. There we go. There's the curry. Rice is good. I'll turn that curry off now. Rice is nearly done now. Simple, hopefully delicious. Right, let's dish up. I'll get these few lumps out first, few lumps in it. Should have squashed it more. Right, everything is done. Let me just move that light across a bit. You can see a bit better. Oh, no, on the camera light. Well done. There we go. Right, everything's done. Nat's already took right into hers. I was just setting my stuff up. We've got no naan breads because we found them naan breads really bad, ain't we, Babble? Aldi at the minute, and we don't like them at all. They've changed for some reason. So we just got poppadoms. Let me show you. There we go. Nice basic curry. Nat said it's absolutely delicious. She's liking that rice. We don't really like packet rice, do we?
No.
So
nice.
You are liking it. So basic, simple. And Nat said it's delicious. I ain't tried it yet, so let's have a crack. Try a bit of that rice first.
You've changed the taste of the rice. I know you've put egg in it, obviously, but it's changed completely.
Yeah, I put a bit of oyster sauce in it as well.
Yeah, it tastes loads better.
Tastes nice, doesn't it?
It has a weird taste to it, that packet rice.
It does, doesn't it? That doesn't taste bad at all, does it?
No.
For cheap convenience.
And especially if you can add stuff to it and everything.
It is fluffy, isn't it? It took me a few minutes to try and get all the lumps out of it, so I didn't squash it enough. There's the chicken.
Curry's nice.
Is it nice?
Got a little bit of a kick to it, but not too much.
Yeah, instead of imported, I think there was a four-star-form thingy or something, but you only don't like them hot anyway, do you?
No, I don't like it too hot. It just spoils it. Very tasty.
I think the chicken may be a minute overdone. Could have been a little bit juicier, but for first attempt doing it in the air fryer.
I think it tastes better in the air fryer than it does in the pan because it's.
I quite agree with you.
For some reason.
That tastes really nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Once you get that minute right with that chicken, then it. Oh yes.
Don't know why it tastes different. We have that all the time. It tastes a bit different.
There it is. Yeah, we have them jars all the time, don't we? And that tastes 100 times better, doesn't it, in an air fryer? 100 times better.
Yeah.
I'm all wonky, look. No, not me, the camera. Oh yeah, let's have a poppadom. So the whole lot probably took about 20 minutes altogether for a good curry, and that tastes nice, doesn't it? There you go, look, something nice and simple. Air fryer curry. First attempt, I'll maybe done the chicken maybe a minute or two less next time, but apart from that. Oh, well, yeah, in future it's air fryer curries, isn't it, Bab?
Yeah.
I think.
It tastes better. It tastes better.
Next time I might completely make my own in the air fryer instead of the jars. I bet it's even better as well when you make your own as well. But for £1.25 I think they are now. Or £1.29 them jars used to be like 80p, you know, 89p or something. But the whole lot cost me about £4.5, £5.5, £6, about £7. Apart from the oyster sauce which I had in the cupboard, it's about £7 for the lot. It's done 4 of us and there's still a bit left. Let me show you. Oops, still a little bit left in there, look. So you probably get another big one in there. You do 5, it'd be like that easy. Wouldn't you? There you go, as I say, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Simple basic curry in the air fryer. I don't think you can go wrong. Till next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye. 4 out of 10. What would you give me before we go? Oh.
9.
9. 9. I'd probably go an 8. I think the chicken's a little bit dry, but apart from that,
I nearly said 8.5.
I think apart from that,
But
just a little bit dry.
But because it's tasty.
But it's really tasty, yeah. 8, 9. Yeah. See you later. Bye bye.